Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23. Yes, you already seen, still no update, but I want to show you how to how do I make the mouse oxygen this I make a hole. Oops. Look, how do I make this kind of small hole for I not glue it, just look, just attach like this. This is a hole. Look, just like that. I'm not glue it, but how do I make this type? This is my special tool I want to show. This is not about the minifigure, this is about the tool. Here we go. This is a made in China type of tool. Yes, all-in-one screwdriver. Yes, with many detail shape, and this is very cheap in my country, called Jake Me. I don't know how to say it. Look, for about $2 or $3. This is so very cheap. I not recommend for heavy duty, but this is great for toys hobby, especially make a hole, small hole like this on the helmet. Yes, this is very useful, especially this. Yes, you can mark it first, and finally this is the shape that make the hole bigger. Oops, look, just twist it like this to make the hole. Yes, made in China tool, but so very helpful. Jake My, I don't know. Just search it on your marketplace on your country. I buying this for about $2 or $3. I forgot. On Tokopedia, also maybe available on Shopee and AliExpress. Very useful to make a detail, a hole, small hole for on the helmet for visor. Yes, this is great. This is my new tool, very helpful. That's it. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many idea, tips and trick info. Follow me on Instagram. Yes, and always guys, stay safe. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes sir.